Good day to all. I would like to introduce Advayam, an open source hardware and software platform for learning, prototyping, research, and product creation. The proposal before you is for financial assistance to take Advayam into its second stage of development and release. Our vision is to create an open, scalable, and future ready embedded development ecosystem that can serve students, researchers, developers, and industry. Webify IoT is an application technology and research and development company based in Kerala, India. Our work focuses on scalable platforms for IoT, education technology, and embedded systems. Over time, we have developed three interconnected technology streams. The first is REACH, our modular IoT technology framework for solution creation. The second is Ye Gurukulam, an Internet of Education Things platform designed around offline first learning. And the third is Advayam, our open embedded development platform as an alternative to Arduino. Advayam is an open source learning, prototyping, and product creation platform. Our objective is to combine the simplicity that has made Arduino successful with the capabilities required for modern embedded computing. It enables development using multiple languages and frameworks while helping bridge the widening gap between academia and industry. It is designed for education, research, IoT, robotics, industrial automation, edge computing, and product development. Another important objective is to provide a platform through which indigenous microcontrollers developed by Indian companies can demonstrate their performance and application worthiness. For example, Advayam provides a platform for integrating processors such as the Vega processor developed by CDAC. In this way, Advayam can contribute to the development of a stronger, indigenous embedded technology ecosystem. A major strength of Advayam is that it is designed for all levels of learning. At the school level, Advayam can introduce students to logic building, sensors, LEDs, and motor control. At the undergraduate level, students can use the Advayam IDE and simulators to learn hardware interfacing and develop real world projects. At the postgraduate and advanced level, developers can work with technologies such as Rust, ESPIDF, FreeRTOS, Zephyr RTOS, Web IDEs, and simulators. The objective is to provide a common ecosystem that can grow with the learner. From basic electronics to advanced embedded development, Arduino has played an extremely important role in making electronics and embedded development accessible. Advayam builds on that philosophy while addressing a broader set of requirements. Arduino is primarily known for simple electronics prototyping and education. Advayam is designed as a unified embedded systems ecosystem covering education, research, and industrial applications. Advayam supports a wider range of processing architectures, including ARM, RISC-V, and multi-core processors. It is also designed for larger memory configurations, advanced real-time capabilities, native RTOS support, MicroPython, Rust, and Zephyr. This means that a learner can start at a beginner level while the same ecosystem can ultimately support advanced embedded development, IoT, robotics, AI at the edge, and industrial automation. The ecosystem of Advayam is being developed around a family of modular boards. The first release platform is the Advayam ESP32-S3 Starter Kit, designed for beginner-friendly embedded systems, learning, IoT education, sensor interfacing, displays, peripherals, and wireless communication. We have also developed the Advayam RA4M1 Starter Kit based on the Renesas RA4M1 microcontroller. Other platforms are under development, including the RP2354 baseboard and the Advayam Tejas 32 baseboard based on the indigenous Vega processor. Under the proposed project, we also plan to develop high performance boards using Renesas R5F566 and R7FA8M microcontrollers. These boards will target applications involving machine learning, edge AI, intelligent robotics, industrial automation, and computer vision. Several modules of Advayam have already been developed and tested. These include the ESP32S3 starter kit, Ethernet board, and 4-channel relay board, as well as the Renesas RA4M1 starter kit. We have also developed the Advayam Tejas board around the Vega microcontroller developed by CDAC, Government of India. These developments demonstrate that the Advayam concept is a practical entity designed to make a mark. The technology framework has already been implemented in hardware and software, and the next stage is to expand the platform significantly. Hardware alone does not create an ecosystem. For that reason, Advayam also includes its own integrated development environment, or IDE. The Advayam IDE currently supports C, C++, Arduino, and FreeRTOS. The IDE includes board management facilities and supports development and experimentation using the Advayam hardware ecosystem. We have also created demonstration programs and a growing collection of applications for learning and testing. A significant amount of groundwork has already been completed. The concept has been proved. The technology framework has been finalized and tested. The hardware architecture has been finalized, and PCB modules have been developed using multiple microcontrollers. The IDE technology has been conceptualized and implemented for C, C++, Arduino, and FreeRTOS. More than 150 applications for learning and testing have already been created. The Advayam website has also been established. In addition, support relationships have been established with Renesas and CDAC. The project is focused on scale, capability, and ecosystem development. We will create base modules using advanced microprocessors that support machine learning and edge AI. Then, we will create multiple hats and shields so that users can experiment with different areas of prototyping and product development. Third, we will extend the development environment to support Rust, MicroPython, and Zephyr RTOS. Fourth, we plan to develop more than 500 applications across different levels and areas of learning and experimentation. We also plan to develop mechanical systems controlled by Advayam modules, including systems such as robotic arms. Another important objective is community development. We aim to build a community of more than 1,000 developers and expand Advayam to multiple universities. Online courses will be developed to teach fundamental electronic design and development and the practical uses of Advayam. The proposed project will significantly expand the hardware ecosystem through plug-in hats and shields. The Maker and Robotics Shield will provide motor drivers, servo interfaces, joystick control, RGB LEDs, GPIO expansion, and multiple communication interfaces. The Human Interface Shield will support TFT displays, capacitive touch, a matrix keypad, navigation controls, micro SD storage, and audio output. The Connectivity and IoT Shield will bring together Ethernet, CAN, RS485, Zigbee or XB, GPS, GSM, and NFC or RFID capabilities. The Vision and AI Shield will provide interfaces for cameras, microphones, speakers, IMU, and gesture sensing. The Industrial and Automation Shield will provide relays opto-isolated inputs, analog and digital interfaces, industrial sensor connections, current and voltage monitoring, CAN and RS-485. Finally, the motion control shield will provide stepper motor drivers, encoder inputs, limit switches, servo outputs, PWM, and emergency stop functionality. Together, these modules will transform Advayam from a development board into a much broader prototyping ecosystem. The proposed development program has a targeted duration of 14 months, ending in December 2027. During this period, the focus will be on developing and integrating the advanced hardware platforms, shields, software tools, applications, testing infrastructure, and educational resources. The project will also include deployment and demonstrations to establish Advayam among the student and developer community. The objective is to move systematically from platform development to validation, deployment, and ecosystem adoption. These are the tasks envisaged in the project. It not only involves hardware and software development, but also engaging with the student community and industry partners. At the end of this project, our ambition is for Advayam to take on Arduino in its full might. Advayam aims to provide the next level of capability while retaining the accessibility and learning simplicity that made Arduino successful. The total estimated cost of the proposed project is 55 lakh rupees. Of this, Webify IoT will contribute 15 lakh rupees, not considering the contributions already made towards the development of Advayam. We are seeking a grant in aid of 40 lakh rupees. The expenditure includes deployment and integration, equipment and software requirements, testing and validation, network and operational costs, component procurement, PCB fabrication, assembly, and logistics. A significant portion of the investment will go directly into developing and validating the hardware and software ecosystem and making it available for practical use. To conclude, Advayam is not merely intended to be another alternative to Arduino. Our vision is to build a next generation embedded development platform for connected and intelligent systems. With the proposed financial support, we are confident that we can create a robust and extensive platform that will enable students to learn advanced embedded technologies and allow developers to create hundreds of products and solutions with greater ease. We also see Advayam as a bridge between academia and industry in electronics technology, applications, and product development. Finally, Advayam can provide a platform through which ingeniously developed microcontrollers, including indigenous technologies, can demonstrate their usefulness, performance, and reliability with relatively little effort. We believe this project has the potential to contribute not only to education and innovation, but also to the development of a stronger Indian embedded technology ecosystem. Thank you for your time and consideration. We look forward to your support in taking Advayam to the next stage. Thank you.